The kingdom of Eldenwood was fading, its trees bare, rivers dry, and hope dwindling. King Eldric stood in silence, feeling the land's sorrow in his bones. Before the sacred tree of wishes, King Eldric pleaded for a sign, but the tree stood still and quiet. Its golden leaves no longer whispered back. The king summoned his sons, each brave in his own way, and told them of a quest to save their kingdom. Only one of heart, mind, and soul may awaken the tree, he said. The princes set off, each choosing a different path, courage, wisdom, or kindness. Destiny awaited at the end of each road. Prince Darren faced a beast of shadows and flame. He fought with fury, but pride echoed louder than purpose. Prince Milo tricked a troll and slipped past its lair with clever ropes and a knowing grin. But wisdom without compassion has sharp edges. Prince Wren carried an old woman's firewood, smiling gently. She blessed him without magic, only warmth. Darren marched past a broken cart and a pleading farmer. The path of strength had no time for weakness. Milo skipped over glowing puzzle stones, unlocking the path ahead. He smiled, but the glow never reached his heart. Wren gently wrapped a deer's wounded leg with cloth. In its eyes, he saw the forest's pain and peace. Darren charged through fire, blade high and bold. He emerged alone, stronger, yet untouched by humility. Milo faced his reflection and a riddle of self-worth. Knowledge flickered, but answers were few. Wren knelt beside a weeping forest giant, listening with quiet care. In tears he found truth. Darren stood atop fallen enemies, sword raised in triumph, but the wind did not cheer. Milo uncovered a glowing book that pointed the way, yet the more he knew, the more empty it felt. Wren found a precious gem, but gave it to a crying child. That moment shimmered more than any treasure. At last, Darren fell, exhausted and alone. His strength could not carry the burden of purpose. Milo sat in the dark with riddles and maps, but no direction. He missed what the scrolls could not teach. Wren cradled a dying bird, rushing toward the tree. His heart beat for every small life. The tree stirred, its golden leaves rustling. Kindness, not strength or knowledge, had reached its roots. The land bloomed again, and joy returned to Eldenwood. The brothers danced, laughed, and shared their gifts.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.